Hello everyone and welcome. You know that feeling when you're staring at a completely blank canvas, your deadline is creeping up and you're just wishing you could literally download the ideas straight from your brain onto the screen? Well, today we are looking at something that gets you remarkably close to that exact reality. We're diving into a definitive explainer on the absolute most powerful generative AI tools of 2026. This is the cutting edge for graphic designers, motion artists, and UI/UX professionals. If you create visuals in any capacity, what we're about to cover is going to completely rewire how you think about your daily output.
Okay, let's dive into this. We've literally all been there, right? Stuck on a massive idea block, manually keyframing a video timeline, or just wrestling with pixel-perfect alignments while the hours tick away. But the landscape has fundamentally shifted. The top creatives out there today, they aren't burning the midnight oil by working harder. They are working exponentially smarter. The source material we're looking at today makes it crystal clear. Adopting an AI-assisted methodology isn't some futuristic luxury anymore. It's the baseline for modern creative success.
So here's our quick roadmap for today's explainer. We'll walk through Section 1, the AI creative revolution, Section 2, generating images and brands, Section 3, mastering video and motion, Section 4, 3D and UI/UX design, and finally Section 5, the ultimate 2026 workflow.
Starting us off with Section 1, the AI creative revolution. Shifting to the AI co-pilot.
And that brings us to this critical concept right here, 10. A lot of people hear AI and they immediately panic about being replaced. But the overarching theme from our sources is that the goal of these tools is absolutely not about replacing the human designer. Instead, they act as your tireless co-pilot, specifically designed to 10x your creative output and elevate the overall quality of your work. You are still the director. AI is just your ultimate production team, and it's working at 10 times the speed.
Let's move to and see how this builds in Section 2, generating images and brands, from text prompts to photorealistic pixels. Check out this lineup of absolute heavyweights. We're talking Grok Imagine, Midjourney V7, Flux Pro, DALL-E 4, Leonardo.ai, and Firefly 3. The leap in quality here from just a couple of years ago is frankly staggering. These powerhouse models let you turn a simple text prompt into a mood board, a client mock-up, concept art, or a completely photorealistic visual in mere seconds. I mean, imagine needing a hyper-specific product shot for a client presentation in 10 minutes. With this stack, you can easily generate 5 variations before your coffee even cools down. And this brilliantly illustrates how you aren't just generating from scratch anymore. The 2026 versions of tools like Photoshop Generative Fill and Canva Magic Edit actually empower you to instantly restyle, extend, and enhance your existing artwork. You upload an image and simply tell the AI exactly what you want changed. Want to remove a super complicated background? Done. Need to extend the canvas for a widescreen banner ad? It seamlessly paints in the rest of the scene for you. It's kind of like having a magical darkroom right at your cursor.
But it's not just one-off images. Entire brand ecosystems can now be spun up in minutes. Just look at platforms like Luca AI, Brandmark, or even using a really clever combination of Midjourney paired with Claude 4. Our sources highlight that creating comprehensive brand identities, we're talking scalable logos, harmonious color palettes, strict typography guidelines, is incredibly fast now. You can literally establish the entire visual language of a startup before lunchtime. That frees you up to focus entirely on the strategic application of that brand.
Let's jump into Section 3, mastering video and motion. Cinematic output at your fingertips.
If you've ever spent days agonizing over rendering a short animation, these 2026 video generation heavyweights are going to absolutely change your life. We've got Runway Gen 4, Kling AI 2.0, Luma Dream Machine, Sora 2, and Pika 2.1. These cutting-edge models generate incredibly smooth short clips, complex transitions, and totally dynamic product animations right from text or static images. Whether you're crafting snappy reels, engaging explainer videos, or even cinematic B-roll, these tools completely bypass the traditional labor-intensive rendering pipelines.
Of course, visual motion needs an auditory soul, right? A stunning video totally falls flat without the right soundscape. That's exactly where tools like Suno V4, Udio 2, 11 Labs, and Mubert come in. You can instantly create custom, royalty-free background tracks, perfectly timed sound effects, and even human-sounding voiceovers that match the exact mood and pacing of your generated video. It's essentially an entire audio post-production studio wrapped up into a few simple prompts.
Moving right along to Section 4, 3D and UI/UX design, rapid prototyping, and dimensional assets.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how the barrier between an idea and an actual interface has completely dissolved. By using Figma AI, Uzard, Galileo AI, Visily, or V0 by Vercel, you can literally describe an app or website in plain English. You could say, a dark mode dashboard for a fitness tracking app with a prominent weekly activity graph, and boom, within seconds, you receive beautiful production-ready components. This is an absolute game changer for rapid prototyping and live client presentations.
And for you 3D artists, game designers, and AR/VR creators, the time-saving implications here are just massive. Meshi.ai, Luma 3D, TripOSR, and Spline AI allow you to generate complex 3D models, intricate textures, and full spatial environments from a simple text prompt or a standard 2D image. The days of agonizing over every single polygon or UV map for a background asset, they're over. AI handles the heavy lifting so you can actually focus on the composition and lighting of your scene.
But here is a fascinating twist. AI isn't just for generating raw materials. The 2026 iterations of Claude 4, Grok 4, and ChatGPT 5 actually serve as an always-available art director. If you upload your designs to these multimodal models, you get professional-level, highly actionable feedback. They'll analyze your composition, check your color theory, verify your visual hierarchy, and even offer suggestions for accessibility and conversion optimization. It's an incredibly objective second pair of eyes that literally never sleeps.
And finally, Section 5, the ultimate 2026 workflow, putting the Copilot to work. Let's break down the financial realities of 2026 for a second. On the left, you see the starter stack. This consists of incredibly capable free-tier tools like Grok Imagine, Canva Magic Studio, and the free version of Figma AI. Honestly, this is perfect for hobbyists or if you're just starting out. But on the right, you see the pro stack. If you are aiming for top-tier freelancing or high-end agency work, investing in paid tools like Midjourney V7, Runway Gen 4, and 11 Labs is non-negotiable. This is the robust toolkit that the modern professional relies on. So the crucial point is how this all links together to form a seamless, absolutely unstoppable daily workflow. Step 1, you kick things off with ideation and research using Grok and Perplexity. Step 2, you generate your initial concepts and mood boards with Grok Imagine and Midjourney. Step 3, you bring those right into Firefly or Photoshop AI to refine, edit, and fix any little imperfections. Step 4, you drop those refined images into Claude 4 for a quick critique and feedback loop. And finally, Step 5, you produce the final assets, bringing them to life with motion in Runway and adding custom audio from Suno. It is an incredibly fluid ecosystem when you put it all together.
Now, before we wrap up, I want to deliver some really honest advice straight from our sources to ensure your work actually stands out. Here are the essential pro tips for 2026. First, always iterate. Seriously, never settle for the very first generation. Second, combine your tools. Don't be a purist. Take a Midjourney image, edit it in Photoshop, and then animate it in Runway. Third, master prompting, because that is the new true craft. Fourth, and probably most importantly, keep your own creative taste sharp so your work doesn't just look like generic AI art. And finally, always, always be mindful of copyright and originality in your final outputs. Which leads us right to the overarching theme of today's explainer. This right here is the definition of the AI Copilot. It's a creative methodology where AI acts as a collaborative partner. It empowers you to ship faster, while your unique human vision and your personal taste remain absolutely at the center of the work. The artists who are really thriving right now, they're the ones who have successfully internalized this exact mindset.
We've seen today just how massive a leap forward AI provides for generating images, crafting video, and prototyping UI. I mean, the tools are here, the workflow is proven, and the speed is completely unmatched. The only thing left in the equation is your own human ingenuity to guide it all. So as you look at your next big project, and that blank canvas is staring right back at you, I want to leave you with this final thought regarding your own creative future. Which AI Copilot will you choose? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. And now, go create something absolutely amazing.